What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Cart Smart TV. So I had a customer bring us a cart and said it was making a lot of noise in the front end. And so let's look at what it is first. We have got an 05 Club Car Precedent. Nothing special. Wife uses it around the house, garden with, good stuff like that. Or you'll hear at the beginning of the video where it's making that nasty noise. Well, when you have something terrible like that, time to get your jack out. Put it up onto the front end, see what you got going on, and that's where we're headed, guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to get a little bit better view of what's going on here. That is way terrible. So we're going to tear this apart. Going to get the top part of the spindle taken off here at the bottom as well. We're going to let the spindle hang. We're going to get our bushings put back in the spring and get our bushings put back in the top. We're going to do that on both sides. And for your inner A-arm bushings here and here, thankfully we don't have to replace those. Those look really good still. But you want to check those bushings as well because they can be a problem sometimes. But unfortunately, okay, I got that taken apart, and as soon as I took it apart, these pieces fell out. You want to keep this one. You want to keep this piece right here. Here is our top A-arm side. And you can see that there's very little bushing left in there, and that's why it's doing what it's doing. So let's get that out. Oh yeah, it's just crumbling apart there. And you'll have a good space to put new bushings back in. Like I said, keep these because it's always best to have the original spacers that come out of it. We'll just clean them up on the wire wheel real good. Alright, here's our bushings. And so the spacer is actually a little bit bigger than the hole that the bushing goes in. But it's really easy to just push them down. Get one end started. Get you a little small hammer. Tap it in like that. And you go to the other side, and you can see our spindle assembly just hanging there. I'll get that other side pushed in as well. Move our spindle over. Okay, you notice I didn't tap real hard at all. Just kept on putting vibrating pressure on it, really, is all I was doing, so it would just slide on in the hole. Alright, so the next one, you got the shorter sleeve. It's for the top. Same deal. Get it there, get it on top, push it down. Sometimes depending on what model you're using, you do have to take and just tap it down. Same principle here. Get it going in. Okay. Alright, now to reassemble. Alright, got one bolt started, 2 bolts, 3 bolts. That's all you gotta have. And now, no more movement. And that's how you do the bushings on your golf cart in the front end. So we're gonna knock out the other side over there, and this cart will be ready to roll once more, guys. And you can see that these bushings are still there, but how they're breaking apart like that, See how crumbly that is? Been in there for a while. We want to go ahead and get this customer a good tight fit again. And so you can see there, that one's all broke apart. Chunks just coming out, top and bottom. And again, we're gonna get these cleaned up, spacers on the wire wheel, and then we'll get the bushings back in. Alright, so we got the pin in, your bushing. Get it pushed in. Alright guys, got our bolts back in each position. Just gonna get them tightened down. No more movement. No more side to side. Good and tight now. Gonna get the wheels back on it. Get our hubcaps put back on for them. And this job will be done. Good and tight. Good and tight. No more popping. It's quiet as a mouse. And so that's how you get the bushings done in the front of both DS and Precedent, the club car models. And as always guys, we thank you for watching our videos. If you got any questions, please comment or give us a call. Hit that like button, that subscribe button. Share these videos out guys, and hit that bell for any new notification, for any notification for new videos coming out, which we do have. As always, God bless you all. Have a great day.